Hey, Sean, come over here. Let me show you what I got in here. I don't know if this qualifies as a barn or a garage, or maybe it's a shed. But there's a 71 Challenger, or what's left of it, in here.
Oh, nice.
318 car. Look at this hood. Look at all the plastic on this hood. Maybe something's been digging under wood there. This is a beauty.
So what's the plan for this?
Well, I guess we're gonna make it look nice.
All right, cool.
Gonna take a look inside. There's no interior. Oh, it's got a dash in it, but no floors. This baby's got some patina. Oh, trunk's open. What's in the trunk? So I think Vice Grip Garage always says, look in the trunk. It'll tell you a lot about the car.
There's the front end.
Disc brakes. Well, those are 70, 71 disc brakes. See how they got the corrugated
Yeah.
backing plate? So, and there we go. Looks like this baby needs everything too. This trunk lid's not too bad though. It is. You know why? Because it's a 71 deck lid. You see this emblem here? 71 only.
Oh, yeah.
That script. I wonder. It looks like raccoon fingerprints.
Yeah, it sure does.
Footprints. Quarter's not too bad. Looks like the back of the quarters need work. It's in a bad car. All right. Yeah, we'll be dragging this home soon.
Yeah.
Final top car. But there's no holes. That's weird. All right.